Happy Women's Day from Roop family. I am Nilanshi Rastogi and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the special session on Women's Day with our plant heads. Women's Day, celebrated every year on 8th March. This day is symbolic of the historical journey women around the world have taken to better their lives. So, on this day, let us hear the thoughts of our leaders regarding the women workforce and their goals to increase the population of women workforce in their plants. Sir, first I want to thank you for sparing your precious time for this session. And my first question is, so what does International Women's Day means to you?
Uh, International Women's Day, the way we are celebrating for continuously 3-4 years, now has gained a lot of importance in our day-to-day life, like whether it's at home or at a workplace. Now, see, as you know, nobody celebrate Men's Day. Purely like men's are getting due respect at workplace or everywhere in the any working horizon, they got the due respect. Why we are celebrating? Because women's are not getting the same kind of means attention, the means applaud. They was what they're supposed to get. So this activity and particular day being now started in a very big fashion, whether at a national level or a global level, so that women who are like working not, well, I must say, not as like equal or much higher contribution to our day-to-day life should be recognized and should be valued in our life, so that their importance should reflect and they should feel pride, I mean proud in their day-to-day working. So that is the like message or means reason why we are giving more focus to this particular activity.
Okay, sir. So, in line with this thoughts, I want to ask, sir, how would you counsel your subordinates to neutralize gender bias?
The basic hesitancy, not the reason, they came from our subordinate is, sir, they will not stand for 6 hours, they will not do same thing the way men are doing. These are the like only the means preconceived notion in the minds of our subordinate. To break that particular thought process, normally I give the benchmarking in the industry. Like there are so many groups like Anand Group and other means good OEMs who are doing this kind of activity for years and they are doing it successfully. So whenever you do this kind of a live example to your colleague, they will understand the importance. Yes, if they can do it, why can't we do it in our company? And like our this is like for initial step, they are just doing whatever we are trying to give instruction, but the challenge will come and which we are facing and which is going to be challenge for the coming time, how they are coming into the more into the leadership role. Leadership doesn't mean leadership at like a top level or even at the shop floor. Some can become a line leader, some can become an inspector, so that even the setup change, so that those kind of skill. Because initial hesitancy was for the whether they can do machining job or not, whether they can do inspection part to part. Now that break has gone. Now next challenge which I have to counsel my team is to bring them into a more learning curve. That is the next stage. If required, we can go for some literacy, like for a technical training, and for that we have a good setup. And even if we require like people like you, who have more self confidence. Yes, if I can do it, why can't you do it? People like I'm not hesitant to take support from more established female counterpart.
Yes.
So that we have to give them that kind of confidence, and for that we have to create that kind of culture. That was the first step. Next step to make them leadership, and I'm again happy to see my team is now taking that kind of input from not only from me, from management also.
Okay. So every year we celebrate Women's Day on 8th March, and we have some themes. Internationally, we have some themes. So this year we have choose to challenge. So what does that choose to challenge means to you?
Choose to challenge means as like for even for the UN team, choose to challenge means take the leadership role, which I was just discussing just now. Now, for me, we have. I'm not specific about the shop floor. They are just means doing as per the instruction. For me, the challenge is to take to this particular stream to the next level. To my all female colleague, whether as I mentioned, maybe line leader, or till now, I don't have any female worker on company role who's working on the shop floor. So by fulfilling all the prerequisite like desired skill level, desired I would say soft skill like presentation and other things. Next time, like I would like to see my female colleague to go participate in the seminar and the all the this thing quality circle and the other things, so that their confidence will come up further and they are going to they should be ready to take the next level assignment. For me, that is again leadership in terms of maintaining the line, maintaining the particular section. So in coming time, that is my area of focus.
Okay, sir. I'm like moving towards my last question. Sir, what is your personal goal to increase the number of women workforce in the plant?
Uh, in last, this, if you take about the absenteeism all, we are now hovering around 85, 90, 75 to 85. And if you take the continuous leave, so we are having around 80. At this time, minimum we have to come into the three figure, like in the next 6 months. I will not take the complete year. By within next month, by September also, our target will be 100, then 120. So we should be a time bound target. And as I mentioned, we will now this time target like you belong to a means a category of engineering graduate, and now currently we are having girls for like who are 10th or 12th. I would like opt for some ITI or some means diploma holder, so that rather than having so many assistant engineer or inspector as a male, so I would like to create a position for someone who can from the female side to take this kind of opportunity also.
Okay, sir. So I wish you all the best for this.
Thank you.
And I'm looking forward to work in such an environment as well. Thank you, sir, for providing us your time to talk about it. Thank you, sir.